Uh, it is possible the first adjustment too, especially if you've never been adjusted before, to experience some slight soreness afterwards. The most common side effect or complaint that patients have had after being adjusted is some temporary soreness. I relate to like going to the gym, right? If you haven't exercised ever or in a while, right? If you do a workout, you can get a little bit sore, right? Nothing too intense, but it doesn't mean the adjustment's bad for you or that the workout's bad for you. It means your body wasn't used to it. And even so, it's just a small percentage of people that actually get soreness from it, but it is a possibility. That's why we want to make sure that you ice afterwards, that you stay hydrated, and you get plenty of rest. So, is it possible? Yes, not super common, but it's usually just very temporary.